Today's topic is all about gold. The recent surge in gold prices has been nothing short of remarkable, but trust me when I say, we've barely scratched the surface. I firmly believe we're witnessing the beginning of an extraordinary bull market. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive in. First off, a massive thank you for tuning in. I truly appreciate it. If you're keen on learning more about investing in precious metals, or simply enjoy awesome content about gold and silver, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on my channel. So, what's the deal with gold lately? Well, it's been on a wild ride. As I'm recording this, gold is hovering just above $2,400 an ounce, marking an impressive 11% surge in just the past month. Zoom out a bit, and over the past 6 months, gold has soared by over 22%. Talk about gains. And over a 5-year period, brace yourself, gold has skyrocketed by a staggering 86%. It's clear as day. We're smack dab in the middle of a bullish market for gold. Bank of America is bullish on gold, projecting a substantial increase in its price. They foresee gold reaching a staggering $33,000, while also issuing warnings about a potential copper supply crisis. This forecast comes from one of the world's largest banks, lending significant credibility to their prediction of $3,000 per ounce by 2025. Joining the chorus of optimism, Citigroup is also revising its outlook, envisioning gold hitting the $3,000 mark as investor interest fuels a rally. This upgrade represents a 40% increase in their previous price estimate, adding further momentum to the conversation. UBS is another heavyweight in the financial world, setting a lofty target of $4,000 for gold. They believe there's still ample opportunity for investors to capitalize on this upward trend, drawing parallels to historical surges in gold prices. Notably, they point out previous instances where gold multiplied in value within relatively short time frames, suggesting that current investors may witness similar gains. Legendary investor Rob McEwen is even more bullish, predicting a gold price of $5,000. He attributes this forecast to key factors such as central banks swapping dollars for gold and escalating government spending, eroding the value of fiat currencies and prompting increased gold investment. And finally, we have one of the heavyweights, Peter Schiff, offering a price prediction of $5,000 for gold. His perspective diverges slightly, as Schiff believes the Federal Reserve will halt its tightening measures and eventually resort to expanding quantitative easing, QE. He argues that the U.S. economy heavily relies on QE at this juncture and is on a trajectory back into recession. Schiff notes that gold is currently being sold below production costs due to inflation, and miners are hesitant to invest until gold prices reach the $2,500 to $3,000 range. He anticipates this scarcity in supply will inevitably propel gold prices to the $5,000 per ounce mark. It's worth mentioning that we're swiftly nearing the $2,500 threshold. It might happen sooner than anticipated. So, are we amidst a gold bull market? Absolutely. With gold surging over 10% in the past month and major players like Bank of America, Citibank, and UBS all projecting higher gold prices, it seems evident that the gold rush is underway. Moreover, we haven't even reached the frenzy stage yet. The mainstream media is only just beginning to discuss gold and its record-breaking prices. So, if you invest in gold and it doubles, that's fantastic. It's a solid investment, especially if the stock market takes a downturn. I'd like to point out that there could be an alternative to simply purchasing physical gold. Historically, when gold prices surge, we often witness a rally in gold mining stocks as well. Let's consider the performance of the Gold Miners ETF, known as GDX. In its previous peak in 2011, it was valued at around 65, but since then, it has dropped by 50%. Similarly, the Junior Gold Miners ETF, GDXJ, reached approximately 169 at its peak and has since declined by over 75%. This suggests that the mining sector's rally has yet to commence. I understand some may prefer to solely accumulate physical assets, and that's entirely valid. However, what I'm suggesting is that in a bull market, certain companies could see substantial increases in value. While the price of gold may double, some of these companies have the potential to skyrocket even further. Therefore, it's crucial to be proactive, conduct thorough research, and pursue potential opportunities for greater returns. In that vein, I've partnered with a mining company to present this video and share their narrative. Enter Great Pacific Gold Corporation. But before delving into their story, let's start by highlighting the remarkable achievements of CEO Brian during his tenure at K92 Mining. Back in 2016, Brian established K92 Mining with a modest investment of $2 million. At that time, the company, centered in Papua New Guinea, was trading at less than $1 Canadian per share. However, under Brian's leadership, K92 Mining flourished. Today, its shares are valued at over $7 Canadian, boasting a market cap exceeding $1 billion. Notably, this remarkable growth occurred within the context of a thriving gold market. Fast forward to the present, where I firmly believe we're amidst a gold bull market. Brian has returned to Papua New Guinea, where he's launched a new venture called Great Pacific Gold. What sets this venture apart is its possession of not just one, but 3 valuable assets. Of particular significance is their geographical proximity to K92 Mining, sharing similar geological characteristics. For instance, one of their assets, Gezer, is a mere stone's throw away. Moreover, Brian has reunited with key personnel from K92, such as advisor John Lewis and director Dr. Chris Mueller. Their collective expertise, honed through past successes in the mining industry, lends further credence to Great Pacific Gold's potential. Let's delve into the timing aspect. Gezer will soon receive soil samples, an early yet critical step. Aru, their second asset, is scheduled for drilling in the upcoming weeks, a strategically opportune moment. As for Wild Dog, their flagship project, although previously subjected to shallow drill holes, awaits deeper drilling pending approval of its final license. This phase of drilling has yet to commence, presenting an ideal timing for Great Pacific Gold. Moreover, the company boasts approximately 10.5 million Canadian dollars in cash reserves and no debt, indicating a strong financial position. In terms of location, their proximity to K92 Mining, where CEO Brian achieved notable success, is noteworthy. Papua New Guinea, renowned as the land of the giants in the mining realm, offers a favorable environment, with the world's largest gold miners operating there. Recently, the CEO of the largest gold company visited Papua New Guinea, underscoring its significance. In summary, Great Pacific Gold benefits from a seasoned team led by CEO Brian, strategic location adjacent to K92 Mining, and opportune timing, alongside promising geological prospects. They have yet to commence drilling, and I firmly believe we're amidst a significant gold bull market. When it comes to investing in mining companies, I consistently emphasize that they entail more risk compared to simply purchasing physical gold. However, the potential rewards can be substantially higher as well. Therefore, it's crucial to conduct your own thorough research to determine if these companies align with your investment goals, circumstances, and portfolio. It's essential not to solely rely on my advice or that of others. Always conduct your own due diligence. Taking a broader view of the current environment characterized by this robust gold bull market and past performance of mining companies, perhaps we shouldn't remain passive. Instead, we should be proactive, engaging in research to ascertain if these opportunities are suitable for us. Remember, I'm in the same position as all of you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Additionally, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and enable post notifications for more updates like this. Thank you for watching.